Hi, I'm Jacob with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We built our water heater estimator to make water heater pricing simple and transparent. Have you been trying to decide between a tank and a tankless water heater and wondering what each one actually costs? Most homeowners aren't sure which is worth it or how big the price difference really is. This tool helps you compare both in under a minute. One of the most common questions we get is tankless really worth the extra cost? The answer depends on your home, your usage, and the installation. Our estimator provides you with a quote for either a traditional or tankless water heater. You can do it for each one and get a side-by-side comparison so you can quickly see what fits your budget. Costs can change based on the size of your home, whether you have gas or electric, where your current unit is located, and the amount of water that you use. We factor all those to give you a more realistic estimate, which will be emailed to you instantly at the end. We do ask for your phone number, but only if you need to help refine your results. We don't sell your information, and there's no pressure to move forward. Try it now and compare your options in about a minute. Even if you're just exploring, you'll walk away with a good idea of what to expect and which direction makes the most sense.